What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Bianca Shanice, and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe, and please don't forget to hit that notification button so you get alerts when I put up new videos. So today's video, I will be doing a day in the life. I also will be wrapping gifts and doing a little cleaning. This is really like a lazy day, but I'm just starting off making me some cereal. So now I'm just cleaning out my sink so I can prepare to make some dishwater. I will be washing some dishes from the night before. I was lazy last night and I didn't wash them, so I said let me go ahead and get up this morning and wash those dishes. Now I'm just picking up some things that I had laying around in the living room. So now the living room is clean. It looks so warm and cozy. Y'all know I had to play some Adele while I was doing a little cleaning. But now I'm just restocking my jars. So after this clip right here, I had went and laid down and took me a nap, and then I had got back up and started wrapping some gifts. I just had a few gifts I had to wrap. What did I feel like wrapping today? I still got some more, and I still got to get a few more items for Christmas, and then your girl will be done. So I was getting hungry, so I decided to warm up those crabs I had last night and fix me some of this cranberry juice. Well, it's called the white cran strawberry. And it's 10 out of 10, recommend. So I had went on and fixed Zari something to eat. If y'all don't know, Zari doesn't eat any other type of foods besides pizza and french fries. So I'm just fixing her some pizza. So I had needed to catch up on some YouTubers Vlogmas videos. So that's what I'm doing now, so I can watch them while I eat. So I love watching this girl, I Am Sharika B, on YouTube. And I just love her Vlogmas intro. I love how her family joined in and, you know, made it fun. So in this clip coming up right here, she has that same type of wrapping paper that I have, that white wrapping paper I have, where it's kind of tough. And she was just showing on the back of it that she had to use like some duct tape. I think that's what kind of tape it is. But she really didn't mind using it because on the back of it, she was going to just wrap it up with a bow, and it came out really pretty. Y'all see, she got that same wrapping paper that I got. That's some tough wrapping paper. We gotta get some, but hood, I couldn't be putting no tape like that up there. You just gonna mess up the thing. But I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna find some good tape for next year. So the video is coming to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions on anything I have said or done in this video, please feel free to comment. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And please don't forget to hit that notification button. And I will see you guys in Vlogmas Day 17.